Same ball. Inbound by number 16. Pass to number 11. 14 to shoot. Foul. Good foul rep. Number 14, first personal foul, first team foul. 2 shots by number 9. First throw, no good. Second throw. Basket is good. Pass to number 8, 2 minutes. No good. Number 11, set the play. Pass to number 15, 2 minutes. Number 15, 3-point. Time remaining 8 minutes and 14 seconds. Last one, number 16. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Set up play. 15 to shoot. Now Dino, number 1. Pass to number 1. Number 11. Goes out. Number 77. First personal foul, second team foul. Time remaining 8 minutes and 10 seconds. Two shots by number 11. First throw. No good. Second throw. No good again. Number 77, set up play. Pass to number 14. Nakuha number 15. No good.
Baby!
Pass to number 11. Number 11. Time remaining 7 minutes and 10 seconds. Arokaya ball. Number 32. Pass to number 77. 15 to shoot. Goes foul rep. Goes out. Number 11. Number 11. First personal foul, first team foul. Number 77, Tumira Andres, no good. Time remaining 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Number 15, Tumira Andres, no good. Number 14, Jerry Boy. Pass to number 8. Number 8, pass to number 16. Number 16, no good. Nakuha ni 316. Pass to number 11.
360.
Number 11, set up play. 15 to shoot. Pass to number 3 points by number 1.
Si Gino talaga nito yan. Mamamaw ka nito.
Who's correct? Number 4. Number 4, first personal foul, second team foul. Time remaining 5 minutes and 40 seconds. 2 shots by number 8. First throw. Basket is good. Second throw. Basket is good again. Score 6-2 in favor of Asador. Number 11, set up play. Number 11, pass to number 15. Number 15, pass to number 11. 15 to shoot. Pass to number 9. Number 9 attack, pass to number 15. No good. Rebound by number 16. Pass to number 8. Who's got it? Number 4. Number 4. Second personal foul, 13 foul. Time remaining 4 minutes and 40 seconds. 2 shots by number 8. Debo ay cambio, vale? Gracias. First throw. Basket is good. Second throw. Basket is good again. Pasok ang papasok, labas ang papalas. Inbound by 360. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Pass to number 15. Number 15 attack. Back. Number 15. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Asador. Time remaining 3 minutes and 45 seconds. 15 to shoot. Number 8, tumiran test. No good. Nakuha number 9. Number 9, pass to number 8. Pass to number 1. Number 1. 10 to shoot. Attempt 3 points, no good. Pass to number 8. Number 8. 2 points by number 8. Score, all 6, lamang parehas. Number 15. Pass to number, nakuha ulit na. Traveling violation by number 15. Time remaining, 3 minutes and 55 seconds. Inbound by number 77. Pass to number 16. Back to number 77, set up play.
Magkano yun, pre?
Pass to number 32. Back to number 77. 15 to shoot. Pass to number 16. No good. 10 to shoot. No good. Ay cambio pero vale. Rebound by number 15. Number 8. Pass to number 9. 15 to shoot. Nakuha number 22. Nakuha ni Gino. Gino. 10 to shoot. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 2 points by number 4.
Noel.
Last 2 minutes. Number 77 set up play. Pass to number 32. Back to number 77. Pass to number 14. Number 14 nakakuha ng pause pa rep. Number 8. Cambio, Bebo.
Yung number 9, papalitan mo. Number 9.
Bebo. Falta numero 8, no?
8.
Penalty, vale? First throw, basket is good. Bailey Boy, number 3. No good. Isa pa. Bonus shot ulit. Talaga naman, pag baby boy talaga. Time remaining, 1 minute and 11 seconds. No good.
Baby!
Araw.
What's happened to you, baby?
50 seconds.
Magalita mo maya.
Number 8 attack. Pass to number 1. No good. Rebound by number 16. 40 seconds. Pass to number 14. Pass to number 77. Number 77 attack. Who's my rep?
Lumagapak eh. Iniwasan mo.
Penalty. Number 8. Second personal foul. Penalty. Number 77. First throw, good. 8 na yun.
9-8. 9-8. 9.
Two points by number 9.
Para nakita ko, para dis na yan.
Last 20 seconds.
Lakas na mga tumahawa.
15 seconds.
Dahil lang, tingnan man sila. Baka bakit na pa.
10, 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Not counted.
Please, if
End of the first quarter. Official score 10-9 in favor of Asador.
kapsyon, upo ko ba? Putang ina. Tingnan mo kapsyon. Oh.
Back to the ball game. Second quarter. Number 77, Sarah Blay. Pass to number 16. Back to number 77. Number 16. No good. Now go number 14. Who's my rep? Number 17. First personal foul. First team foul. Number 14. Two shots. First throw. No good. No good again.
Alam ti coaching. Ha? Amin kasi makialam ti about coaching.
15 to shoot. Number 11. Attack. Number 9. Number 9, first personal foul, second team foul.
Yun lang.
Two shots by number 8. Score 11-10. Change favor. 15 to shoot. No good. Number 1. 2 points by number 1.
Ito kayo magpahinga!
Number 8, 15 to shoot.
Hawakan na naman.
2 points by number 8. Who's my rep? Number 32.
Isang foul
First personal foul, first team foul.
sa kanilang team.
Number 11. Tumira ng 3. No good. Nakuha na number 16.
Foul 5.
Number 17. Number 17, second personal foul, third team foul. 2 shots by number 8. Number 8, first throw no good. No good again. Number 1. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 15.
Hindi na mga 360. Turn. Oh, sabi ko sa iyo.
10 to shoot. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Cambio.
Cambio. 24 shot clock. Time remaining 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Number 77, 15 to shoot. Pass to number 8. Number 8, 10 to shoot. Number 32, 3 points. The score, 16-12 in favor of Araucaya. Time remaining 6 minutes exactly. Number 11, 15 to shoot. 2 points by number 9. Number 77, set a play. Pass to number 32. Pass to number 8, 15 to shoot. 2 shots by number 11. Number 32.
Time out. Ay, tiempo ba ito,
Ay,
Memo?
cambio, vale? No good. Nakuha number. Pass number 11. Two shots by number 11. Final score, 18-16 in favor of Asador. Time remaining 5 minutes and 11 seconds.
Bibitin ka buwan más dentro eh.
Pero din yung 5 na naglalaki. Wala may kapalitan sila dalawa eh.
Okay, ano? Yeah.
Memo.
Imo. Oh.
Okay. Ating gugil.
Kaya kung mul.
Back to the ball game. Number 77, Sarah Blaine. Pass to number 32. 15 to shoot. Pass to number 32. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Number 9. Pass to number 11. Number 11. Number 11. 3 points.
Uy.
Time remaining 4 minutes and 35 seconds. 15 to shoot. Foul number 3. Number 3, first personal foul, warning for penalty, Asador. 14 to shoot. 14 to shoot. Basket. Number 9. Number 9, second personal foul, penalty. Bonus shot by number 16. Basket is good. Number 11, Sarah Blaine.
Ay, cambio!
Cambio.
Time remaining exactly 3 minutes.
Hoy! Oh, tanga! Tito Marvin! Basic! Hoy, ganda nun ah.
Sana points by number 15.
Baing lagi,
Time remaining 2 minutes and 20 seconds. 15 to shoot. Pass to number 32. Pass to number 77. 10 to shoot. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Rebound by number 12. Pass to number 15. Last 2 minutes. Number 11. Set away. 15 to shoot. Tumira ng 3. Basket.
Lagaling niya dito, bata din.
Stop! 23-26.
May ilang kami tayo, datakot mo.
26 na yan.
Time out, time out.
Tempo. Time out. Time out. Ano kaya?
Time out ah.
Time remaining 1 minute and 20 seconds. Score 23-26 in favor of Asador.
Pero tú no venís con 6, un momento cuando puedo sorprender. No ha sido un activo, ¿sí?
Solo una luz, mira.
Solo uno. Ya.
Pero may sa atin yung sa third quarter pa lang, di ako ito silaw da. Sabi natin kay Bebo, gamitin mo sa'yo.
Number 11, tumira ang 3. 3 points by number 11. Last 1 minute. Number 8, 10 to shoot. Basket is good. Number 15, second personal foul. Bonus shot by number 8. No good. Pass to number 11. $38 seconds. Number 77, attack. Nako number 3. Number 3. Last 30 seconds. $20. Foul, number 4. Cambio. Number 4, third personal foul. Time remaining 17 seconds. Bonus shot by number 77.
Tabagos, okay yan ang third quarter. Yung mga karton dyan. Sabi natin yung Bebo, may naglaro kasi mga pagkakan ni Bebo.
Mas magandang
Nalas pa din na may
Second throw.
ngayong ano na
No good again. 15 seconds. Falta. Number 14.
Dalawa!
Number 14, second personal foul. Time remaining 11 seconds.
Ay, cambio.
Cambio. First row, no good. Basket.
Ilan yung dalawa? Isa lang.
10, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.